The liver is an organ about the size of a football. It sits just under your rib cage on the right side of your abdomen. Structure of liver. A person's liver is in the upper right section of the abdomen and sits below the diaphragm. It typically weighs around 3 pounds, but this can vary between people. The skin is the only organ heavier and larger than the liver. The liver is roughly triangular and consists of 2 lobes, a larger right lobe and a smaller left lobe. The falciform ligament separates the lobes. This ligament is a band of tissue that keeps the liver anchored to the diaphragm. A layer of fibrous tissue called Glisson's capsule covers the outside of the liver. The peritoneum, a membrane that forms the lining of the abdominal cavity, then covers this. This helps hold the liver in place and protects it from physical damage. Blood vessels. Unlike most organs, the liver has 2 major sources of blood. The portal vein brings in nutrient-rich blood from the digestive system, and the hepatic artery carries oxygenated blood from the heart. The blood vessels divide into small capillaries, with each ending in a lobule. Lobules are the functional units of the liver and consist of millions of cells called hepatocytes. 3 hepatic veins remove blood from the liver. Functions of liver. The liver is a gland that has many functions in the body. It is difficult to give a precise number, but it may have more than 500 distinct roles. The major functions of the liver include bile production. Bile helps the small intestine break down and absorb fats, cholesterol, and some vitamins. Bile consists of bile salts, cholesterol, bilirubin, electrolytes, and water. Absorbing and metabolizing bilirubin. The breakdown of hemoglobin forms bilirubin. The liver or bone marrow stores iron released from hemoglobin, which makes the next generation of blood cells. Glycogen. The liver is a battery. Since you aren't eating all the time, your body needs some way to store energy from that chocolate bar you ate so that you can use it during a run. Most energy goes to fat, which is your body's long-term storage facility for energy. However, your body also needs some energy it can use for a quick boost. That's where the liver comes in. Your liver stores energy in the form of glycogen, which is a starch. This allows the liver to quickly provide energy to your body when you exercise. Vitamins. The role of the liver. You've probably heard that food contains vitamins. In order to get some of these vitamins into your body, you need a liver. The liver produces carriers, almost like trucks, that are required to absorb 4 key vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Vitamin A is essential for eyesight, vitamin D is necessary for strong bones, vitamin E protects your cells as antioxidants, and vitamin K helps your blood form clots. When the liver fails, patients can get sick from not getting enough vitamins, despite eating a normal diet. The liver and cholesterol. While too much cholesterol can cause heart disease, you actually need cholesterol to survive. Cholesterol forms a key part of your cell membranes, which keeps your cells together. Your liver is responsible for transporting cholesterol around the body and regulating its levels. It sends out vehicles such as VLDL to absorb excess cholesterol, which returns in the form of LDL. Helps metabolize proteins. Bile helps break down proteins for digestion. Filters the blood. The liver filters and removes compounds from the body, including hormones, such as estrogen and aldosterone, and compounds from outside the body, including alcohol and other drugs. Production of albumin. Albumin is the most common protein in blood serum. It transports fatty acids and steroid hormones to help support the correct pressure and prevent the leaking of blood vessels. Synthesis of angiotensinogen. This hormone raises blood pressure by narrowing the blood vessels when alerted by production of an enzyme called renin in the kidneys. Resists infections. As part of the filtering process, the liver also removes bacteria from the bloodstream. Regeneration. Because of the importance of the liver and its functions, evolution has ensured that it can regrow rapidly as long as it is kept healthy. All vertebrates, from fish to humans, have the ability to regrow the liver. The liver is the only visceral organ that can regenerate. It can regenerate completely, as long as a minimum of about 25% of the tissue remains. The liver can regrow to its previous size and ability without any loss of function during the growth process. Removal of 2/3 of the liver in mice causes the remaining liver tissue to regrow to its original size and restore function within 7 to 10 days. In humans, the process takes slightly longer, but regeneration can still occur in 8 to 15 days. A number of compounds are responsible for liver regeneration, including growth factors and cytokines.